Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, iMac or a MacBook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in the case. When I open this up, I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking white, 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 okay? I'm not getting a white blinking light. I get a solid blue light here, and then eventually it's going to go off. For me, the reason is because I'm connected to one of my other devices, one of my phones. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode myself here, okay? So there's a button here on the case. I'm going to press and hold for 5 seconds until the white light here starts blinking or until I hear that pairing chime, okay? So the button is here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait. Now it's blinking white, and you heard that, that pairing chime as well, okay? Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our MacBook here, top left-hand side, navigate to the Apple logo. And then we're going to go down to System Settings. From here, go ahead and select Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on right there. And then down here, that little spinny thing here under Nearby Devices, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about like 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it did find the Powerbeats Pro, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to connect. And I just heard the connecting chime on the earbuds. And you can see that we're connected right there, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always do a factory reset on these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.